What's going on, guys? What a day so far. We're out here on a honker hunt. We are just outside of town. All the geese in town on the pond are coming out here, and there's a band in the group, so we're on a little band hunt today. Gonna shoot a couple and then play a little binocular game with the geese, try to get them to land in the spread. With Austin and Eric today. It's Matthew here. Declan's hunting ducks. Sure, we'll have another video of that. Yeah, it's Sunday the 25th, I believe, of October. We got snow last night, so we're out here in white. Here's a little bit of the spread. We got just a little bit around the blinds here, just helping blend them in a little bit. A little leg there, a little leg there. Don't want to throw too many out today because there's probably 100 coming from town. Don't want to overkill it. But yeah, I just had one come in. I'm sitting in the blind here. The guys went to get breakfast before the geese came, and had one come in here, a little solo. He landed off to the side over here, and I was just like, screw it, we'll get one, get the skunk out of the bag. And so we're on the board with one today so far. But yeah, they should be flying here in a, I don't know, probably half hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, here about 9:30 they fly, and it's like 8:45 or so. But yeah, stay tuned. This could get nasty, so we'll keep you updated. Woo! Well, we have one laying in the spread right there, right over there. We had a group. Shortstop is back there. I don't know if you guys can see them. We got more behind us somewhere. Two right over top. Close enough that we can, I'm gonna open my blind here and I'm gonna look for bands quick. Watch. Oh, there's another group right over the house. Oh, there's ducks over there too. They're just too far down the hill. No, I don't see any bands. I'm shaking so bad, I'm so cold. Yeah. Wait. If you can get another one if you can. Wanted to get him out of the field. No, he's dead. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in. Oh yeah. Thanks for coming in. Oh yeah.
How do you do it now?
So you grab it and you spin and spin and spin until it cracks like that, and then he unwinds and he's dead. Here you go, Eric. Hold her up. Another big kegger. Let's see that boy. But we got like 56 Big L silhouette decoys out. Nothing but the best here. We got a Lucky Duck Super Goose flapper. That's Austin's. He wasted $300 on that. Try him. Oh, they were high. I'll try to get him again. I didn't even aim again.
You stupid.
Well, folks, we just freaking missed it. We had a big group of about 20 do it perfect. Looked like they were gonna land over there, and they cupped up, just floated the deeks. We pounded them right there. We got 4, and one went over that hilltop down by the road that was hit pretty hard. We'll have to look for that after we get a couple more. We're at 5 big honkers. We got some big ones today, and hopefully we can get another 4 more to get our limit. We had a lot of geese this morning so far, but some of them have far stopped us over there and over here on the side. So still missing the big flocks yet that have come out of town yet. So we'll see what they do. Shoot him. I hit that one. That one's falling.
Should wait till we got closer.
They were right over top of us.
They were gonna spin.
Wait for these ones out front to land. Shoot him. Two are down, one more. There you go, Eric. Nice, nice, nice.
I shot twice.
It's just too hard to band hunt because they land in the frickin' snow. Hey, there's a seagull. 3-man limit, man. That's a big boy. Yeah, there's nothing left of him. No. I'd mount him if he wasn't left anything left.
I texted my mom. I said, shot an absolute monster geese. Might mount.
Oh, too low. Too really low. Oh, they're doing it dirty. Oh, yeah. 9 honkers down. Yeah, I can't ask much more. I mean, besides the band, that's the only thing we missed. So, but yeah.
The speckle bellies.
And the speckle bellies. We had 2 specks come over. That was a rough one. I wasn't paying attention. And yeah, by the time it was too late. But yeah, wrapping up today's hunt. It was a good hunt. Good old 3-man limit with Eric and Austin. We're supposed to have more guys come out, but they went duck hunting instead, so. Which is all good, but hey, can't complain. Birds worked really well for the most part. Had to just change up the decoys a little bit. We're running a little bit of a long leg U built up on the back side and a little bit around the blinds to blend blinds in. We got white covers. Yeah, that concludes the hunt for the day. Yeah, pretty much. Stay safe out there, shoot straight, kill some birds, and then outdoors out.